AI is officially scary. I'm not real. Everything about me was generated for this video.
The person you just saw is completely fake. And here's what most people don't realize. AI is already reshaping how e-commerce brands sell products online. This isn't some distant future, it's happening right now. Gary Vee said it best.
I believe in 10 years that a stunning amount of the most famous influencers that have the most followers will not be real people. They will be virtual influencers.
And he's absolutely right. Major brands are already proving this works. Vodafone ran an entire TikTok campaign using AI influencers to promote their services. The result? Those videos performed just like real UGC ads. Same engagement, same conversions, fraction of the cost. Today, I'll show you how to make realistic UGC ads with Arcad's AI that drive real results and save you thousands. All right, step one is simple, but non-negotiable. You need a product that solves a real pain point. You're not just selling an item, you're selling a solution people actually care about. Start with emotion, fear, insecurity, or frustration. Take the beauty space, for example. The biggest fear there is aging and skin wrinkles. Women in their 30s to 50s aren't just buying skincare, they're buying back their confidence. So here's what I do. I hop on TikTok and start searching around that pain point. Within minutes, I found the Celemax Retinol Shot Serum for anti-aging, but I didn't pick it blindly. I looked at the proof. Videos like this get millions of views because they hit the exact pain point, aging and wrinkles. I found one promoting a similar serum with over 8 million views, 300,000 likes, and tons of comments saying, "Where do I buy this?" That's when you know you found a winner. And notice something, those videos don't look like ads. They feel real, like someone sharing what worked for them. That's why they convert. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They find a viral video and try to copy it word for word. Big mistake. Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. First, I download that viral TikTok video. Then I go to Google Gemini, upload the video, and ask it to transcribe everything. Now I have the exact script in front of me, but we're not copying it. We're using it as a blueprint to see why it worked. Then we turn that transcript into our own version that fits our product. To make it easier, I've created a custom script generator prompt specifically for this. You'll find the link in the description below. Open the prompt and fill in 3 things: your product name, your target audience, and the transcript I just got. For me, that's Celemax Retinol Shot Serum, women 35 to 55 worried about aging skin, and the transcript I just got. I copy the prompt, paste it into Claude, and hit generate. And within seconds, it gives me 3 new scripts. Each one sounds like a real person talking, not like a pushy ad. They're short, natural, and focused on one thing, solving the customer's problem. Here's the one I liked the most. It feels genuine, like a friend sharing something that worked for them. That tone builds trust fast. And when people trust you, they click buy. Now it's time to take that script and bring it to life with Arcads. Look, I've tested every AI UGC tool out there, and honestly, Arcads is on another level. The actors look real, the lip sync is perfect, and your actor can actually hold your product in their hands with realistic lighting, natural shadows, everything. Most AI tools, they scream this is fake. Arcads creates videos where people literally can't tell it's AI. If you want to try it out, the link is in the description. Let me show you how it works. Once you're inside Arcads, click New Project. This brings you to the main workspace. Let me quickly walk you through the toolkit. You've got talking actors for spokesperson videos, gestures to make them feel alive and human, and a powerful video generator with the latest models like Sora 2 Pro and Veo 3.1 for super realistic shots. You can also build complex scenes by generating realistic videos from a text prompt. And there's an unboxing mode that's perfect for product reviews. For our UGC ad, we'll start with talking actors. Just click Add Actor. You'll see a huge library of AI actors, different looks, outfits, backgrounds. You can filter by gender, age group, location like airport, bathroom, or family settings. And even add accessories, dumbbells, food, pets. These small details, they make your content feel so much more authentic. You can also create your own actor from a prompt and reference image, or upload a picture and transform it into a talking actor. I'll use a custom prompt to design the perfect person. In this prompt box, I'll type woman in her 30s applying skincare, close-up shot. You can also add a reference image here to guide the style. I'll use one of a woman rubbing her face to nail that authentic skincare vibe. Make sure the frame is set to 9:16 for social media and hit generate. Perfect. In seconds, we get a list of realistic faces to choose from. I'm downloading one I like because we'll need it later. Now, here's the key step. For this ad to perform well, the actor needs to hold the product. ArcAds uses Google's Nano Banana model that lets you place any product in the actor's hand with incredible precision. I've downloaded a photo of the Celamax Retinol Serum. I'll upload it here and type, make her hold the product in her left hand. Hit generate, and look at that. She's holding the exact serum naturally. It looks completely real. Download one of the images you like. We'll use it in the final video. Once you've got the look, click Select Actor. Now, describe what you want her to do. I'll type, show the product to the camera and speak steadily. Then click Turn into Talking Actor. Next, pick a voice that matches her look. I'll choose a female, middle-aged voice that sounds warm and natural. This one fits perfectly.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads.
ArcAds will now build the actor with that voice. Okay, just like that, we have our first actor, the product version. Now, to make the ad even more natural, I'll create a second version of the same woman, but this time without the product. Here's why. For the first part of the script, where she talks about the problem, I'll use the version without the product. It feels more like a personal story. Then, when she introduces the solution, I'll switch to the version holding the serum. This creates a more authentic, engaging flow. Now we have two versions of the same woman, one with the product, one without. Let's create the first scene. I'll add the version without the product for the opening line. Then go back to Claude, copy the first part of my script, and paste it here. For the voice, I'll choose Omni-Human. It adds emotion and makes the tone sound natural. Click Add Speech Emotion to include commands for pauses and emphasis. This makes her speech sound more real and engaging. You have two options for the voice, text-to-speech for speed or speech-to-speech if you prefer to record your own voice for full control. For now, we'll use text-to-speech. Preview the audio to hear how it sounds. If needed, adjust the speed, tone, or emphasis until it feels right. Once you're happy, click Generate. Let's take a look at the first scene we just created.
I'm going to be honest, I didn't think anything would work on these 4 headlines. Like, I'd made peace with them.
This first clip is perfect. The delivery feels genuine, and the motion is so natural. Now let's create the second part. I'll switch to the actor holding the product, paste the next line of the script, and hit Generate. And just like that, we have our second scene.
Then my dermatologist mentioned retinol. Said it's what they use before prescribing the strong stuff. I found this Celamax one, bright yellow serum, which means it's fresh and potent.
Her performance is perfectly consistent, and she presents the product with that same authentic, believable energy. Now that we've created both scenes, we can combine them for a smooth, natural ad flow. Instead of having her hold the product the entire time, this 2-scene approach creates a flow that feels authentic and keeps viewers engaged. This is the kind of detail that separates ads that convert from ads that get scrolled past. But here's where ArcAds really separates itself from every other AI tool out there. There's one feature that honestly blew my mind the first time I used it, and it's called Scenes. With Scenes, you can generate realistic video footage of actual product application and demonstrations, not just someone talking. Remember those images we downloaded earlier when we generated the character holding the product? This is where we use them. I'll add one as the start frame. This tells ArcAds exactly how the video should begin, with her holding the product in that specific position. Now, here's where it gets crazy. In the description box, I'm going to describe the exact scene I want to generate. A woman gently applying skincare serum with her fingertips. She carefully dabs it onto her forehead and under her eyes, then smoothly massages it in with upward circular motions. Then in the script area, I'll add the final part of my script and hit generate. And watch this.
After using this serum on my forehead and around my eyes, I started seeing real results.
Look at that result. This isn't just a static AI actor reading a script. This is realistic product application footage with natural hand movements, proper lighting, and smooth motion. That's the power of ArtCADs. This isn't just about creating talking heads. It's about creating complete, professional quality ad content that actually converts. If you hired a UGC creator for this exact video, you'd pay $300 to $500. We just made it in 2 minutes for a fraction of the cost, and we can make 10 more variations tomorrow. Here's what really matters. The brands winning right now aren't the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones testing fastest. While your competitors wait weeks for one creator video, you could already be scaling your 3rd winning ad. The script generator I used? It's linked in the description. And if you want to try ArtCADs, the link's below. Now go create something that converts.